Hey everybody, this is me, Lady Infamous 415, and I'm going to do a noob harvest. And let me just check out if everything's good on my. Okay, we're just gonna have to do it blind for now. Okay. Hey everybody, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Let's get this started. Everybody, you see my gamer tag. If you guys want to join, you know what to do. Let's first change some shit. This shit I'm gonna change. What else? All right. Let's do harder kill confirm. Let's see if we have a new harvest, y'all. Okay. All right. Let's do this. Let's do this.
You're authorized to engage.
Ooh, that's too loud.
Hostile UAV above.
Okay. Hope y'all can hear it. Oh no. Come on. I don't need to lag. It's too early. All right, let's do it. Oh, they was right behind me.
Be advised, hostile care package overhead.
And we not winning. Oh man. Oh no. I have to do better than that.
Be advised, hostile Talon inbound. Hostile HCXD in your AO.
Oh, that was cold, camper. Cold as fuck. Oh, fuck.
Hostile Hellstorm
Wait,
inbound.
I'm lagging. What?
Lightning strike coordinates received. Inbound. UAV inbound.
Oh, shit. Oh, this
Be
lag is
advised,
killing me,
hostile
man.
lightning strike targeting active. Hostile lightning strike inbound.
Oh, they camping in corners and shit. Oh, shit. Oh, what? You see y'all? I know y'all see that lag.
Hostile care package overhead.
I know you see the lag.
Be advised,
Ah,
hostile rolling
run,
thunder
girl,
inbound.
run!
Hostile care package overhead.
I did horrible. Fuck horrible.
Be advised, hostile hater in your AO.
Oh, I'm just trying to do this. I'm just trying to do this. Shit.
Be advised, hostile care package overhead. Be advised, hostile UAV incoming. Too much hangs on this. Commit. Hostile hardened sentry in your AO.
UAV energy levels at 50%.
UAV destroyed.
Friendly UAV inbound. Mission clock running down.
Oh, I'm trying. Damn it. 6 and 16.
Hostile UAV spotted. Be advised, hostile HCXD spotted. UAV inbound.
Oh, man. We almost had it.
Mission is a bust. Bring it next time.
Try it. There's no way you'll win.
Not with that lag. Excuse me. I just ate some food and I burped. Okay, let's put on some music. At least something. Chilling in the back, smoking on the wood. Ride the ride, no ride too high, feeling good. It's a lot. It's so damn happy, rolling boats, triple goals, and Cadillacs. Didn't go that chilling in the back, smoking on the wood. Let me make sure my sound's okay on Twitch. Okay. All right, it is okay. Now I can continue with my music. All right. Not joinable. Game is full. Not really anybody playing that. I know that's playing this. Let's hope. Okay. Let's go, noobs. But we got one noob.
Mission is live.
Yes? Oh my goodness. Damn. All right, let's do this. Yeah, I'm doing something. What's up? Okay, give me a second. All right, did I die? Yeah, I did. Okay, let's do this. What? Come on. All right, all right. Oh, why? I got the noobs. I got the noobs. Look, 2 to 19.
Hostile care package overhead.
Excuse me. Now I'm lagging. Sorry for the lag. Sorry for the lag. Look at that shit. Horrible, yo. Look at that shit.
Be advised. Hostile Hellstorm inbound. Be advised. Hostile Rolling Thunder inbound. Be advised. Hostile UAV incoming. Be advised. Hostile lightning strike target. Hostile lightning strike inbound.
Look at them. You see?
Hostile servers inbound.
Damn. I know y'all saw that. I'm not getting a break. Look. Look at this shit.
Hostile UAV above. Hostile care package overhead. Hostile Hellstorm overhead.
Come on. Oh my fucking god.
In your AO. Hostile HCXD
I
in
guess
your
it's not
AO.
a good day for me to stream because this shit is ridiculous. Look at all that shit over there. What? Come on, man.
Hostile care package overhead.
Oh, wow. I'm gonna need a shot after this game on some real shit.
Be advised. Hostile HCXD spotted.
Nah, I ain't going that way. I don't know why is it jumpy like that. I better shoot him. Oh wow. He's not gonna win this game.
Friendly HCXD inbound.
Oh fuck. I know I can play better than this.
Be advised. Hostile HCXD spotted. Hostile
This ain't no
tower
noob
detected.
harvest. They harvesting me. Look at that motherfucker. Damn. I know I'm doing bad, but I'm doing better than the rest. Fuck that.
Be advised. Hostile hardened sentry spotted. Hostile care package overhead.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Hostile care package overhead. Be advised. Hostile UAV incoming. Be advised. Hostile care package overhead.
Best thing about playing this game is
Be
I have
advised.
100
Hostile
subscribers.
rolling
Shout out to
thunder
y'all.
inbound.
I know y'all spending Christmas and shit with your family and no. Oh damn.
Hostile Hellstorm inbound.
If the light continues to be like this, I might play something else. Oh wow.
You're letting down the pact. Hostile care package overhead. Be advised. Multiple hostile UAVs overhead.
Look at that shit.
Hostile UAV above.
Ooh.
MTL exhausted. End this now. Be advised. Hostile care package overhead. Hostile UAV spotted. Be advised. Hostile Hostile UAV incoming. Be advised, hostile Talon inbound.
Look at
There are
that
no
shit.
words
9 and
for what I
22.
saw. It
Fuck.
was a hard fail.
Fuck, fuck, fuck.
Try it. There's no way you'll win.
Let's try a different game. That was horrible. Look at that shit. What is that matchmaking? Just ridiculous. All right, let's try it. Okay, try to get a win for the people. All right,
Own the TO.
let's do this. Okay, this is much better. I think I got a chance. No, they still lag. Did you pick up your tag? Oh, okay. I just want to kill.
Friendly care package incoming. UAV inbound.
Damn, they was all blended in the woods. They over there in the spawn. Damn. I'm still lagging. Oh, wow.
Hostile UAV above.
Come on. I'm not getting a fucking break. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow. Fuck. I'm just focused, y'all. I ain't trying to die too many times, yo. Oh, wow. He was just standing there. Oh, these motherfuckers camping. Oh, my God. Come on, give me a kill right. Look at this shit.
Hostile UAV spotted.
Look at that. Fuck.
Hostile UAV above.
Look at that. Behind rocks and shit. Just. I'm not gonna quit though. I know I'm doing like real ass like, but I'm not gonna quit. Shit. That hit marker got somebody.
Hostile Talon inbound.
Oh, damn. Good shooting, teammate. I can't do shit with that Talon. Damn, I got killed.
UAV inbound.
Oh, there's two up in. Fuck. Is it? I can't deal with this lag.
Hostile care package overhead. That's a 6-6 and a kick for that SOB.
We guys, I'm not that far behind. I'm not that far behind, but I'm 8 and 20. Get the fuck out of here.
Advised, hostile counter UAV is online. Be advised, hostile care package overhead.
Oh
Hostile
shit.
UAV spotted.
Watch somebody be up here.
Hostile UAV incoming.
Right, nobody here?
Be advised,
advised. Hostile rapid deploy ship in your AO. UAV inbound.
End of the turn. Sensors have captured your objective.
Hard. Hostile care package overhead.
He jumped over.
Failing the Accord.
Ah.
Fight harder. Hostile Wraith inbound.
Get him.
Bring this home.
Oh, fuck. We lost by 4. Fuck.
Get out of my sight.
Ass. They nothing but losses after losses.
You've seen my work. It speaks for itself.
You're gonna have to just. You can't win them all. You can't win them all. So I'm gonna end the video right here. I played 3 straight and I lost 3 straight. I think I'm done. Unless this shit, and I'm still lagging, so. I hope you enjoyed me getting my ass whooped on Black Ops 3. I hope it was very entertaining for you guys. I hope it was. So just make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Lady Infamous 415 on Twitch. Let me see what I got. See? Lady Infamous 415 on Twitch. Lady Infamous 30 on Twitter. And you can also check me out on Mimi Ramos on Facebook. Just hit a girl up. I'm just going to be just chilling tonight. And I try to do some new harvest for you guys, but my ass got handed to me. So I'm going to take an L like a boss and call it a night. You guys enjoy your Christmas, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, all that good shit. And keep gaming on, gamers. Peace.